Now, despite a little bit of a slowdown in the cryptocurrency market, Shiba Inu coin is still doing very well, and analysts are very optimistic about its price action. In fact, they expect it to go 528% higher to about 8,100 points per coin. Now, this is roughly the all-time high that we had back in 2021, and I know that it doesn't seem like it's anywhere near going to 8,000 points per coin. But guys, when Shiba Inu coin moves, it is explosive. Right now, the price is stagnant. I get it. I feel it just the way that you guys do. But if we ignore the possibilities, we will never see the gains. Therefore, I continue to accumulate. Now, we're going to be talking about this analysis in this video, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. Now, we're going to be jumping into some very good Shiba Inu coin news in this video. Analysts believing that Shiba Inu coin is going to rally 528% to 8,100 points per coin. But I do want to say this. One of the ways that I've been able to ignore all of the emotion. You see this? Look at this. We're sitting at a level of 53 greed yesterday. 49 fear once again. And this is just as the price of Bitcoin is falling back a little bit to support levels. We broke through the $93,000, $94,000 level of resistance about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago. We tried to attempt to move higher, and we're simply pulling back off of a little bit of a rally, causing us to hit support. Yet the fear is lingering, and it will not go away. Well, one of the ways that I've been able to eliminate that fear is to diversify. Now, I've been buying basically everything that I can get my hands on, but Dogs AI is one in particular that I believe could do phenomenally well in the upcoming rally. Why? It's got AI technology. It's building an awesome meme coin community. They've got thousands of followers out on their X account. And a lot of analysts believe that it could go to that $1 price point because it's already priced at about a half a cent. Now, if you guys are interested in buying a Dogs AI as well, you get a link down in the description. It's going to pull you up to this website right here. From there, all you got to do is connect your wallet. Now, I like to connect via Wallet Connect. You scan this QR code that pops up on the screen with any wallet on your phone, but I like to use Best Wallet. So if you guys want to download Best Wallet, you have a link for that down there as well. It's a free download, 4.4 stars, hundreds of thousands of users, and a lot of people really like the user interface and how simple it is to get started. And from there, all you got to do is type in how much you guys want to buy. So if you want to grab 500 USDT worth, you're walking away with 125,000 tokens. And of course, if it does hit that dollar price point, that's $125,000, guys. An incredible opportunity during a time when we are still subdued in price. Even though Bitcoin is at $93,000, $94,000 per coin, investors are still borderline fearful. They are nowhere near buying and emotionally greedy yet, knowing that we could run so much higher in value. And on top of it all, the artificial intelligence technology. Dogs AI is building AI trading bots and AI trading signals. And the way that I deal with a lot of the fear is diversification. But AI, I mean, it can't feel, right? It doesn't have emotions. It's not going to get scared out of its trading plan. It's not going to sell low and buy high because of the emotion involved in trading. So make sure to check out Dogs AI. But let's go over why analysts believe Shiba Inu coin could soon be testing those all-time highs once again. It says technical analysts have reiterated their breakout target for Shiba Inu coin, which would mark an approximate 528% increase from its current levels. Amid the bullish projection, Shiba Inu coin's been trading around 1,290 points per coin, down 0.4% from its intraday high. The meme coin has also declined 7% in the last 7 days, and although a longer time frame is rather positive. So the road to 8,100 points per coin. Despite this performance, the crypto analyst has reiterated his earlier prediction that Shiba Inu coin could reach that 8,100 point per coin level. This follows the successful retest of the breakout level that SHIB saw the SHIB price rally to a 7-month high of 3,300 points per coin in December of 2024. The rally was followed by a pullback, which brought SHIB back down to about 1,000 points per coin. Now, according to the analysts, this correction phase was expected and confirmed SHIB's technical structure. Since then, the SHIB price has been volatile and is trading around the 1,290 point per coin range. However, the price closing above 2,000 points per coin at the end of 2024 added confidence to the ongoing structure. The current level is now seen as a base for further upside, as the analysts predict a 528% rally is looming. Now, the technical structure is supported by a bullish divergence. SHIB's chart shows a hidden bullish divergence forming, which is generally seen as a sign of underlying strength. This pattern occurs when price action makes higher lows, while indicators like the RSI or MACD form lower lows. And I'll say this, guys, I don't necessarily think that any pullback or any rally is expected, right? If we come out and we look at Shiba Inu coin trading at about 1260 points per coin, this is a rather strong level of support that we have essentially quadruple bottomed on right now. And I do hope that this level holds up. It is going to be heavily dependent on whether or not Bitcoin is able to maintain its current levels. If Bitcoin falls, Shiba Inu coin should fall. If Bitcoin rallies, Shiba Inu coin should rally. I'll tell you this, right? Any analyst that tells you they expected this rally to exactly 4,500, they expected this rally to exactly 3,300. They expected the decline to 1,200 to 1,200. I mean, you can see that it is very strong support here at the levels that we're currently at. But anybody that tells you this, I mean, they would immediately sell at the peak. They would buy at the absolute bottom, and they would not just be rich. They would be, trillionaires if they knew exactly where the price action was going to go. Nobody knows what's going to happen with the price action. Here's what we do know, though. If we zoom out, and you can see some better on some other graphs, but Shiba Inu coin, when it moves, it is explosive in nature. Shiba Inu coin is not a slow and steady gainer. Shiba Inu coin does not spend months rising, and you can go out there and continue to buy and buy and buy as the price goes higher and higher. When SHIB runs, it runs in an explosive nature, and then profit taking ensues. It consolidates. SHIB runs in an explosive nature. Profit taking. It runs. Profit taking. Shiba Inu coin will run again. The question is, are you willing to accumulate as the price is low? And will you be willing to sell as the price is exponentially higher? We can make 3, 4, 5x gains in Shiba Inu coin if we are simply willing to buy it at prices that are low like they are right now. We have to be willing to sell it when prices are high. SHIB is not one of these coins that has done a very good job of continually rising over time, bottom left to upper right. It is explosive in nature. We buy the dip, we sell the rip. We buy the dip, we sell the rip. We buy the dip, we sell the rip. And Shiba Inu coin can run up to those new all-time highs once again. But how are we going to take advantage of it if we aren't willing to buy it right now? So let me know what you guys are willing to do down in the comments below. If you're interested in buying, you got a link for the KSEX exchange down there. You guys can trade SHIB on up to 75x leverage. Cheapest fees in the entire industry. 0% maker, 0% taker on Shiba Inu coin. Other coins are a little higher. You can come out and trade it on KSEX, or of course you can hold it on the blockchain through a wallet like Best Wallet. Let me know what you guys are doing down in the comments, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.